Here we come to the elevators at the Hotel Roanoke. Oh, look at this little lantern. I love this. Oh, look at this. They all have this, like, I don't know. Oh, I love these lanterns. So cool. Oh, hold on. Oh, wow. This is so cool. Shaky. Oh, the lantern's working. Wow. Look at you. Oh, that's the governor's suite, my bad. Don't go in there. Someone wrote. Okay, I love that lantern so much. Stop through.
Are you going up?
I'm going down.
That's fine, I'll follow you. I have to be in this elevator to get to 7, so.
Oh, yeah. What's on 7?
The governor's suite.
Oh. Fancy. I got connections.
Well, my aunt is there, it's a family reunion.
Oh, nice. Take care.
Why don't you get my take?
All right. Oh, is it all right if you scoot out of the way just quickly so I can get my thumbnail?
Yeah, go ahead.